Good morning, ma'am. I am Prem Kumar, first year MCSE. Register number 215213308. My seminar topic mapping.
Mapping. A mapping is nothing but spectacle depiction around the robot. Record for its movement. The part of SLAM. SLAM means selections, symmetrical localizations and mapping process. A SLAM combines the localism of robot as well as mapping of environmental simultaneously. It is an important feature that dedicates the active of the robot will the concept of reinforcement learning. While environment is dynamic and the system adapt quickly to change. The SLAM problem is often called the chicken and egg problem because we are will the dilemma to choose whether localizations of the robot before the mapping value are various types. There are three types of map: sensorial map, typological map, and geometrical maps. Sensorial map. Robot uses sensor of previous perceived the entertainment. Such map the direct representations of environment based on quality and assumptions. Robotics combines the measurement with the automatic informations use techniques like servo control and or identifies the futures of the sensor response to navigate conservation the map. When robot move throughout the environment, it collects a sensor reading and would the set of measurements. Topological map. The long metric map is difficult to maintain. An alternative to it would be typological map and that graph based, wherein nodes represented the places and edge responses. The graph represented by G is equal to V, E. Vertex represented by V, V1, V2 is Vn maintenance. Edge represented by E, E1, E2, E3, En. The order of Vi and Vj the important because the direct graph and assume that path of single path represented by order. The vertex of graph are those positions that may it best value of more than one function. The related the graph more strong to the map of actual space. The decryption of edge can be enlarged that little to enable the clear requirement of ordered the edge occurring the highest point of each graph. Geometric map. Geometric map are well organized inform the environment for the represent of coordinate. The inspirations on the unidentified environmental result in geometrical maps from describe the related problems. To the suicide largely the area of commercially geometry, they are sensitivity to noise. Every map object linked rapidly to develop an image on open space. The radial polygon to the locations under the robot user space. The geometric map is probably the most regularly used type of map in autonomous robotics. This is not surprising that large amount of work and independent mapping depend upon geometrical map. Thank you.